From Business Administration Department, BBA 218 batch. My roll number is 46. My course is Personal Management. My course instructor is Madam Crosline Chandio. Today I am here to deliver my video presentation about Personal Management instead of semester examinations. So topics are: what is leadership, decision making, management and organization. First of all, leadership. What is leadership? Leaders help themselves and others to do the right things. They set direction, build an inspiring vision and create something new. Leadership is about mapping out where you need to go to win as a team or an organization, and it is dynamic and inspiring. Leadership means different things to different people around the world and different things in different situations. Leadership is a matter of intelligence, trust, worthiness, humanness, courage and discipline. Reliance on intelligence alone results in religiousness. It is art of motivating a group of people to act towards achieving a common goal. The accomplishment of a goal through the direction of human assistance. Qualities of leadership: number 1, honesty; number 2, delegate; number 3, communication; number 4, confidence; number 5, commitment; number 6, positive attitude; number 7, creativity; number 8, inspire; number 9, accountability; number 10, responsible. Number 2, decision making. Decision making is the process of making choices by identifying a decision, gathering information and assessing alternative resolutions. Decision making is the process of identifying and choosing alternatives based on the values, preferences and beliefs of the decision maker. Decision making is the act of choosing between two or more courses of action. It is the process of continuous and disciplined component of managing any organization or business activities. Decisions are made at every level of management. Types of decision making. Number 1, tactical and strategic decision. Number 2, programmed and non-programmed decision. Number 3, basic and routine decision. Number 4, organizational and personal decision. Number 5, off the cuff and planned decision. Number 6, policy and operating decision. Number 7, policy, administrative and executive decision. Number 3rd topic is Management and organization. Management and organization. First of all, management, the process by which personal and organization goals achieved. Manager act like as facilitator for achievement. Organization, the process of bringing together physical, financial, and human resource. The human resource functions of very defines their success as an organization. In other organizations, HR, human resource function plays a major role in the growth of its bottom line and the success of its business. Organization is the process of identifying and grouping the work to be performed and defined and delegating responsibility and establishment relationship for the purpose of enabling people to work most effectively together and accomplish objectives. Management functions: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. Thank you so much.